is saman.
There's a big cave there.
Peminat kita peri kat sini.
Oh yeah.
Dia orang punya peri.
Those are Capri Island, but we're not going there today. Maybe next time.
Vivevamo di vento di sale, le onde scrivevano il nostro giornale, con le mani intrecciate parlavamo al cielo, ogni tramonto un bacio rubato, ogni alba un sogno disegnato.
Finally at the Amalfi Coast.
Amanti del mare, senza età,
It's a bit far, but
dipingevi il tempo, io la realtà. Amanti del mare, eternità. Nel blu la nostra città.
so we got. I think this is chocolate cake.
Nice chocolate cake.
It looks like chocolate banana or chocolate cherry. I don't know. I thought we were gonna be here by lunch, but it's still morning, so there's no lunch available right now. So we just eat breakfast. Maybe our next stop in Positano, we're gonna eat lunch. We have to go now. Speed running because we only have 1 hour here. Let's go. Just to let you guys know, the foods here are quite pricey. But I mean, what choice do we have? So, oh my god. Guys, if you're thinking about taking the general ferry, this is how crowded it is right now. Let me show you. Like, the line is crazy. If you have extra budget, just take the group tour. It's less crowded. This is the common area. Oh, this is the cathedral.
You just realized? Tengok mana kan?
Is here. It's actually a bit overpriced, but I'm really here for this, so I don't think we can finish them, so maybe we're gonna bring them back to our boat. This is actually a tourist trap, but we are the tourists that are trapped. It's okay. I don't know how much time we have, but
Still have setengah jam.
oh yeah, we have half an hour. Maybe we can try to eat slowly. This is how much I've ate. We barely scratched anything. So that is our boat. It's already time for us to leave. Bye, Amalfi.
our boat has arrived.
We're finally in Positano. The weather is nice, it's very warm. It's perfect for swimming, but we're not gonna swim here. So probably we're just gonna walk around and probably do some shopping. Sini?
2 hours plus ah. Kedua eh?
Yeah, we have 2 hours. 2 hours and a half. 2 hours and a half?
Plus.
Oh yeah, 2 hours plus, maybe 5 minutes. Oh my god, I see a lot of cute clothing. Not sure if I want to buy one though. Lots of lemons. We actually didn't know that we're gonna make it here because this place is quite big. Maybe I should get something for myself. But the price is crazy. Okay, maybe I should reconsider. Such a cute dress. But the price is crazy. Okay, this is cute too. I'm not sure if I'm gonna get anything at all. I'm sweating like crazy. I think I'm gonna skip this one. Let's go. Oh, it smells so nice. Okay, this is handmade. Actually, it's quite okay because we have seen something pricier than this, but I don't know about the price. I'm still considering. Wait, what is this supposed to be? What is this for? It's like for chopstick or something. It looks cute though. Oh, this is from local artists. I'm almost sold, but this is cute too. Like, which one should I get? This one they have basil. No, arugula,
Eggplant.
eggplant, tomatoes. After an amazing time shopping and exploring the charming streets of Positano, it was finally time to head to our next stop, a stunning swimming spot along the Amalfi Coast. Woohoo! Wow!
Right? Versus a car.
They're feeding the fish. I'm not sure if you. There's a lot of them here. After an amazing 8-hour boat tour, it was finally time to head back to our hotel in Naples from Sorrento.
So we're eating at this famous pizzeria. They only have 4 menu.
Our pizza is so big.
Enjoy cold coffee, but not
I think I my tiramisu. But it's okay. We'll manage.
those gonna pick up this.
The ingredients were surprisingly simple, but the real secret was in the technique itself. The chef showed us how to make authentic pizza dough properly, and it was so interesting because it's not something I would have known without taking this class.
Real pizza margarita, poor dish, and then without pressing much. Chef, we are poor. We put all. Number three. Number two.
My pizza and Laura's. That they don't use timer. Right? Mine doesn't look that good, but as long as it tastes good, it doesn't matter. We got this. How was my pizza and tiramisu? we don't have a spoon, so we have to like use the container as spoon. And this is how Italian eat their pizza. You wanna buy anything? Ooh, it's real pasta. Is there anything you're interested in?
Kita jalan sampai jumpa toilet pasal itu.
This is the monastery of Santa Chiara.
Going to this halal bakery.
lemon or salted caramel?
Oh, ini lucu kan sayang.
They all look good. They also have cannoli. I already tried this one many times, so we're gonna skip this down.
And that concludes our Amalfi Coast and Naples vlog. More Italy adventures are coming soon, so stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching and ciao!